In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace website for mobile. This process is crucial because, as we know, more and more people are accessing websites on their phones, and you want to ensure your site looks great and is user-friendly on any device. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Squarespace website editor. Once you are in your Squarespace dashboard, you'll want to access the main editing area. This is where all the magic happens and where you can make changes to your site's appearance and functionality. Now, in the top left corner, you should see an icon for mobile view. Go ahead and click on that. This will give you a preview of how your site looks on mobile devices, allowing you to spot areas that might need adjustment. Next, let's focus on your site header. Click on Edit Site Header. Here, you have the opportunity to streamline the header, ensuring it looks neat and the navigation is intuitive on smaller screens. After adjusting your site header, locate the Edit Design option. This is where you can tweak the overall style of your site. It's a fantastic way to explore different layouts and see what works best for mobile viewing. Moving on, click on Design in your menu. This section is all about aesthetics. You can adjust fonts, sizes, and overall color schemes to make sure everything is readable and visually appealing. Speaking of colors, there's a separate color section where you can further refine your color palette. Consistent and complementary colors can significantly enhance the readability and attractiveness of your mobile site. Now, click on any section of your site to begin editing. Nearby, you'll find an Edit Page option, which allows for more detailed adjustments to specific pages. Don't forget to explore the Edit section. This offers control over individual parts of your page, ensuring everything is aligned correctly and nothing appears out of place when viewed on a mobile device. Within the design settings of each section, you have several options to experiment with. Play around with different background styles, maybe a solid color, an image, or a texture, ensuring it complements your mobile-friendly color choices. Access the colors settings again if necessary, making tweaks to ensure your sections have a coherent look. If you need to rearrange content, choose a section and use the Move Up or Move Down options as needed. This feature is helpful for prioritizing the most important content for mobile visitors. Additionally, you can duplicate pages if you want to experiment with different layouts without altering your original design. Finally, if there are any sections or elements you decide you don't need, use the Remove option until the layout feels just right. Once all adjustments are complete, remember to click Save to ensure all your changes are updated and reflected on your Squarespace website. That's it! You've successfully optimized your Squarespace website for mobile, making it more accessible and visually appealing for all visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.